What's up? My name is Elaine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Sindaco. Let's cook together.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco. I say shame. So before I move forward, this video is sponsored by Big Shaki Photography. So if you know the photographer for your weddings, for your events, anything, just contact him on the number below. And also you can follow him on all the social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Just follow him and give me a message. He's ready to travel all over the world. The human hot say. Then I bet you say why wedding, no picture, but now can I say? Yeah, so in today's video, I'll be doing something very simple. Yeah, I'll start the day with pork. You want my grilled pork, Brad Chas. You want Mr. Queen. I don't know what you're in there. Yeah, so before we start, I have my ingredients over here. I'll show you guys the kind of ingredients I'm using for me pork. Another pork and my grill. Yeah, and so I have my pork over here, which has been chopped already. I have my crushed pepper. I'm not just chili, crushed chili. I have a parsley, fresh one. I have this seasoning, natural seasonings over here. This is grains of selim. This is aniseed. This is nkete. I have alligator, alligator pepper. I have cloves over here, and I have black pepper as well. I have 2 onions, which I blend egu in amno. I have ginger. I have some garlic. I have salt, which is inchin. We will Maggi seasoning liquid so hard. Then I have natural all-purpose seasoning so hard. So I'll mix this modern seasoning type with the natural one or name film that blend na me the guminam no home. So yet before I blend my friend me jen and onion and yamana gu or friend me pork ni mo black chance ni mo no quick quiz. Before I'll blend me the main natural offense and me modern spices, which is all-purpose seasoning. Bidding cake inside then fee before I may my blend be now also a gym kakra. And I'll just do like that. Yeah, make sure they be a cross side and the fee. I blend everything. I blend everything now together, including the bay leaf. Including the bay leaf. So I blend everything together. With the parsley as well. It's with the bogo inside. And in garlic, no in ginger, no. With the sugar kabugo. I'm that blend. Okay, this is I blended your friends and spices in which is onion on it. But before I'll add some salt to this one. And pork no dose into I'll take 1 tablespoon of salt. Then fee that petty do. Then fee me blended onion. Onion like spice red because of the red onions now or woman into na color no a change in either man. As I say, I add everything to it. Now if you must stir with my hands, you can put on gloves and do it. If you have a ladder, wooden ladder, plastic ladder, you can use that one to do as well. But I prefer to do it with my hands. That's why I make me at 10 and a. You feel me? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. So, turning the same. Okay. Right now, my fat Maggi. Maggi seasoning. No, I'm going to put in the day. Before I make this one, I make crushed chili. I say, "Mo quite a boom." Me the pepper to do. Okay. And also have my flavor no. All this seasoning contains salt in it, Salt in the bugum no in the oma oye or do too much. This again, me just so my cover me just so for 30 minutes at least. At least 30 minutes. Nimfi ingredients and as a seasoning spices no. Etum ain't we what I oven no, I start or heat up it's no me okay, right now we have this sauce aka wade. Them sauce muntungu I say as time goes on if it be in that pet nam no do. Anyway, so now you also to acquaintance and nemfi number being na juicy and saucy. Even crap now no this over no ma go to me to be na that pet do. Anyway, na aye into no.